Hello, smart people. Today, I am going to show in this video how to turn a phone into a computer Windows system. Please stay with me and don't skip this video. So, let's start. I turn my phone into a Windows system. Changing your phone into a Windows model like this would be a good idea. You can create this type of interface on your mobile phone. It's simple. Firstly, you go to the Play Store. Search for the computer launcher. Click on the first one. Then click Install. Wait for a second. And then click Open. Show this type of interface. And finally your phone change into a computer. I hope you will enjoy having a computer launcher on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful to you. Your support has inspired me to make more videos such as these.